Hey guys, welcome back. It's been about, hold on, so let me think. I made a video last Friday and today is Sunday. So I made a video 9 days ago, or I made the last update video 9 days ago. As you guys know, the contractor was not here from Friday to Thursday. He came back Thursday, but in the interim, the drywall guy was here and he was finishing up his work. He came here, he was here yesterday morning, and I guess he's done. I didn't see him yesterday, but I know the contractor told him he had to be done by the weekend because they want to start painting tomorrow, which is going to be Monday. So let me quickly show you what the drywall guy did. The wall behind me, he didn't go too crazy on, at least that part over there, because that part is gonna get drywalled. Sorry, it's gonna get a backsplash. And same with that wall over there. Didn't go too crazy because that wall is gonna have the wall cabinets. And then whatever's not covered by cabinets, he did do a good job of, and that will get painted in black. So let me quickly show you what he did. And when the contractor came back, he finished the rest of the recessed lights that go into this room. So let me show you what happened here. Back wall, like I said, he did do the spackle just to cover everything up. But he didn't go as crazy, especially like over here. You can still see the tape on the seams, but over here he did a better job because this will not have any cabinets. Same over here, you'll see the tape on the seams there, but then up here he did a good job. Same with all there was holes. I remember, if you remember, there was a hole somewhere around here. He fixed that up. That it's gonna be for the fan. Same with this one over here for a fan as well. So yeah, that's what the drywall guy did. Any hole that was in the ceiling that the contractor used to be able to move and get electrical has been now patched. A couple of holes that I guess he made right here. I don't know if he's supposed to finish that or whatnot. Same with down there, because that wasn't there before. Over here, the contractor on Friday patched up the vent that was here. Same with the one that was here. Here was a supply. This hole, I'm not really sure what it was for, to be honest with you. And then this one over here was where the old sink was. So that's been all patched up, so we can start to get flooring installed this week. This vent here is gonna get moved over here, I believe, sometime this week. Same with that one over there, it's gonna come out. And we're gonna move that vent down into the ground as well. And then last week, the two hallway lights, the foyer lights were not up, and that one back there was not up, but now all of those are up as well. So now every light that's supposed to be in this room is here. So we have all of these lights that actually create a nice light, is what I should say, in this room. So I'm really happy with how those came out. I'll make a dedicated video on how those lights work and all the different functions and colors you can do with them a little later. He started taking the flooring off here. I'm guessing they'll put this right back, but it was cut for that vent that was there. Same over here. He took some out as well. We did find the door though. I know we were talking about that in the last video, how we were kind of stressed about that. We were able to find a door with the white exterior, black interior. So we're gonna be ordering that tomorrow. But the only thing with that is that we won't get it until May. So we're gonna have no door, no windows, I guess I should say, until May. But at least we'll get what we want. So it's worth the wait. So that's all I have for you today. Very quick, short update. Like I said, not too much was done. So this week coming up, flooring should be coming in, being installed, and either installed, finished, I guess. All of that to make it all look cohesive in here. And Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we actually cannot be in the house. So we can come back Saturday night because they're gonna be finishing up the floor and we are not allowed to walk on it. So we have to get a hotel room for a couple of nights, which we were not anticipating. They just told us this on Friday that was the case. So we were actually able to find a hotel that is pet friendly for Oslo. So that is great. It's not too far from here. Cabinet's coming in next Friday. So everything is moving along just nicely. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comments, questions, suggestions, just put them down in the comments below. And like always, just keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. And I've been doing a lot of thinking recently, and I know I keep calling this a kitchen reno, but really it should be a main floor reno because it's not just the kitchen that we're redoing, it's this whole space, right? So you have your dining room that was there, you have your living room, which is here, the foyer, the kitchen, if you want to break it up into 4 different spots, 4 different locations, 4 different rooms. So really it's not just a kitchen reno because we're doing everything else in here. The wall came down to make it one open concept floor plan, which we're super excited about. So from here on out, I'm gonna start calling it a main floor reno of the split level home that we currently live in. I think that makes way more sense than just a kitchen reno.